Alright, back to my regularly programmed content that I generally have this time of year. You'll see in this first pile, pointed out with my left big toe, is 3 convertible quick dry pants. Then you see next, you'll see right here are my thermal layers, very thin. This one happens to be silk because that's one I was lucky enough to find. And then my thicker Patagonia base layer, I lost the thinner one in the flood. Lucky to find that one in wreckage. Couple of belts. I got 1 pair of guide pants. Yeah, those are essential. I might need a water fix. Oh, you know I will. Got 4 pairs of underwear, quick dry. 3 pairs of real wool socks. Nice wool, I might add in this case. I got a new base layer. At least it's green, but it's not all faded patina like the old ones I lost. In this one, I have my middle layer, kind of a base layer, heavier, and 3 light layers. Those of you that know me from Rapton probably recognize those. I wear those by themselves in the summer for sun protection. I got me my favorite tank top. In addition to that, I have a quick dry towel. I have my trusty hat, which I thought I lost but found again today. I got a laundry bag. I got some cord, which is going to be my clothesline. This is a normal thing. I may cut that down and take less. And my trusty compression sack. Yeah, I used to have some Hawaiian shirts and nicer things. I lost all of those in the flood. So I'm be taking dirtbagging theme a little too far this year, except for my outer layer. That green jacket looks mighty fine compared to what I usually wear. And I have another travel jacket coming, I hope, before I leave, so I have a outer shell. I do have one other raincoat I've been gifted by a good friend. But I'm gonna have to say, it's a little heavier than what I really want to carry, but it'll work in a pinch. And I am grateful. So, that's my packing kit. Yeah, I'm down a couple of Hawaiian shirts. But it'll be okay. I'm a dirtbag at heart after all. Peace out. At least I got a kayak or two.